People say that matches are made in heaven. जोड़ियां भगवान के घर में बनती है. I don't know how true it is, but I have observed a deeper pattern into relationship, and that is that two kinds of people, they come in contact with each other. When I say two kinds of people, I am talking about two types of childhood wounds. हम सभी का एक बचपन रहा है, और जब हम छोटे बच्चे थे तो हर एक छोटे बच्चे ने ऐसा कोई मोमेंट अपनी लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस किया है which has left a scar on their heart. तो एक बहुत ही कॉमन पैटर्न विच आई हैव ऑब्जर्व इन मोस्ट ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप्स, और आई वुड से इन मेनी रिलेशनशिप, इज द एंशियस चाइल्ड विद एन अवॉइडेंट चाइल्ड. अब आप पूछेंगे कि ये क्या है? An anxious child is a child who has experienced insecurity in his life. They have experienced abandonment in life. Like one of the parents left them without telling them. It can be for a smaller period, it can be forever. Or one of the parents died early. This child always lives in an anxiety of somebody leaving them. For that, they always seek communication. They always want to talk about those issues. They always want the presence of the partner around them. And the absence disturbs them. Or their partner being incommunicado disturbs them. और दूसरी तरफ वो बच्चा होता है जो एक अवॉइडेंट चाइल्ड होता है, जिसने अपनी लाइफ में वो पेरेंट्स को फेस किया है who were very controlling, who kept their demands over the demands of their child. This child was told a certain way of living. He was forced to live a disciplined life, or a life designed by his or her parents. अब ये बच्चे को जब भी कोई कम्युनिकेशन के लिए बोलता है, whenever somebody sits for communication or somebody wants to talk long, this child feels suffocated. He feels that his freedom is being violated. He wants to run away from there. That presence of the partner sometimes become a burden on him. He feels a kind of pressure on him. So when these two different children, they enter into a relationship with different types of wounds, it creates a conflict. But it becomes easy when we understand our own childhood wounds and our partner's childhood wounds. क्योंकि माने या ना माने, आप किसी भी एज पर शादी करें, लेकिन दो अनहील्ड बच्चे ही शादी कर रहे हैं. So when you are dealing with your partner, you are not exactly dealing with an adult. You are dealing with a wounded child. Thank you.